Now in this tech street, many people just say learn coding and you will go far. But I will tell you that 10 years, people in this tech street have stayed 10 years but haven't landed their first job. Why? Because there are unwritten rules in this industry, and if you don't know them, you'll be left behind. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the tips that tech professionals use to get or land their jobs. And trust me, the fifth one is a game changer. So you won't want to miss the fifth one. So stick to this video and let's go. Hi guys, and welcome to Benedict GBK from Sketch Motion. And if you first time see my face, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Now the first one is it's not just about technical skill. Coding is not just enough. Company wants engineers or people who can solve problems and also communicate early. Now we need to have other skill like communication skill, adaptation skill. Now, if now this is an example now. If two people come for a job interview and one person have coding skill, while other person have coding skill and also communication skill and also adaptability skill. Now, who do you think the company will hire? In the right sense, the company will hire the one that have multiple skill. Now, your network is more powerful than your resume. Now, 70% of tech jobs are never posted online. Your connection matters more. Your connection matter more. Now, you can build connection on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and also this is the secret that people use to get more job opportunity. You can comment thoughtfully on leaders' posts. Now, recruiters can also see your comment and also say, this guy, he know what he's doing, and they can reach out to you. That's why I say network is more important than your resume. Now, the third one is you must escape tutorial hell. Now, I always say this on my videos in my channel. Rather than watching 100 tutorials, start with building projects. Take that time to build projects. Now, you can start with small or a simple JavaScript to create Google Calendar. You can start with small projects and then you can go further. Watching 100 tutorials, you're just learning things, but building projects, practicing, it will make you more efficient. So every time you learn something new, use it in a project immediately. Now the fourth one is your portfolio is your real resume. Companies don't just want to see what you know, they want to see what you have built. You can upload your work on GitHub or even your personal website. Now you can include screenshots or also demos of what you learned. Now small projects can build initiatives. You don't have to build a big app for them to be impressed or for them to recruit you. Small projects even matters. The fifth one is LinkedIn optimization is a cheat code. Yes, because a well optimized LinkedIn profile can make recruiters reach out to you. Now you can have a professional headshot. Then maybe your profile can contain what or the skill you know, like JavaScript, Python, front end development, back end development, also full stack development. And also you can even share your story or your journey in your profile. Now, researchers, now this is a secret. Recruiters are looking for keywords that they need. So make sure you provide complete keywords that they are looking for or that you know that they want or they are looking for. Now the sixth one is learn to learn fast. Now what you know 2 years ago might be outdated. So you have to learn fast and also learn to learn new things. Now you can also use AI, ChatGPT as a coding assistant, not as a crutch. Now the seventh or the final one is you can start small and still land big roles. Every role like technical support can be a stepping stone to bigger jobs. Many top engineers started in support roles, also learned the system inside out, and they also move into development. Summary is breaking into IT isn't about being the smartest. It is being about having the most strategic pattern. You can build skill, show them, connect with the right people, and also learn faster than everyone else. Now, if you like this video or found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.